Chickens eat grass, if anybody didn't know. It's not just bugs. You see this remnants of an old watermelon. Not watermelon. Pumpkin plant. Still trying to grow out here in the field. But got some little couple-month-old chicks here. And let them loose. They find their way through the grass, eating bugs and grass, getting their scratch on. They love chasing those grasshoppers. Gonna be some healthy chicks we got here. Starting them out early, get them in grass, letting them feed off the land, not just feed. Getting that natural nutrition. We got about 20 more coming right out after them. As soon as they get of age, I'm gonna put them out and we're gonna add 20 more into the count. Gonna be adding 20 every 3 weeks. Don't ask me what the final number is gonna be. Still working on that. But we can accommodate.